this is the just basic structure. Okay. Now we are going to write user defined data type. So I told you to make a user defined data type we use structures. Okay. So first is user defined data type by using structures, keyword struct. Keyword. Okay. Our structure keyword struct. struct. First is keyword, then the name of the structure. The name is your choice. You can take any. I am just using one for student. So I am writing here student. Okay. Structure student. After that block. Here we can take information for one student. So I am taking here information like string, name. This is a student name. Second, father name. Third, address. Fourth, contact number. Okay, all data of string type. Understand? Now we take one integer type data like age. We take one float type data, float or double, it's your choice. I am taking double. Fee. I am taking one more integer type data, student ID. Student ID. So I have taken here the data string type, integer type, float type or double type. Okay. Double type fee, integer type student ID, age, string type name, father name, address, contact number. Okay. 7 data I have taken here. So all of you understand? Any problem in it? Now dear, I want to give you some just suggestion how can we check the size, how much we are consuming for it. Okay. First we will check here like cout. I am checking first for string type data. So string type data, how much memory consumes? For this we have operator size of. What is the operator? Size of, string. String we are taking in bytes. Okay. Second, we are taking for integer. So we are putting here int. Third, we are seeing for double. And size of double. So you can check like this. Even you can check another's also. It's your choice. I am just taking now for your knowledge. Float and here size of. And last one. Last one, I am taking size for structure. After this, I am taking for structure. So I am writing here /n as well, and this is for our structure. What is the name of our structure? Student. What is the name? This is our user defined data type. So you can understand here easily. This is primitive data type, string, integer, double, float, primitive. Yeah, and this is user defined. Okay, we have written the same way. Size of operator, user defined data type, size of operator, system defined data type, size of operator, system defined, system defined, system defined. Means the same way we are writing everything. Yeah, now check the size. What is the size? How much size consuming by this data type? It is as per my latest. So don't be confused with yourself. Maybe different because you are using old IDs. Okay. Once again, just I want to use here /n, okay, then it will be more comfortable, and here also /n, okay. And now all of you can see easily. Now see the result. Can you see? How much string take? As per my system. Latest version, latest hardware. I am using 2022. My system consumes for string 40 bytes. Okay. Integer 4 bytes. Double 8 bytes. Float 4 bytes. Okay. What is the size of structure? What is the size of structure? Your structure size is 176 bytes. This is the user defined data type where we are keeping all the data together. 4 string type values, 2 integer type values, 1 double type value. Understand? So you can analyze here 4 values 40 bytes, 4 values 40 bytes, 2 values 4 bytes, 1 value 8 bytes. Yes? All of you can see here 4 values 40 bytes, 2 value 4 bytes, 2 integer type variables we have taken inside the structure, 4 string type variables we have taken inside the structure, and 1 double type variable we have taken inside the structure. So calculate it 4 multiplied by 40, 160. 4 multiplied by 40, 160. 2 multiplied by 4. How much? 160. 8. 8. How much total? 176. How much our structure is consuming? 176. So, all of you understand now the size from where it comes. As per the data we have collected in the structure, as per it is giving the size to us. Okay? The size is 176 bytes. Now we are going to implement another part of the program inside the main. So dear, this is only I have given to you for your knowledge. Okay? So I am just keeping it aside for multiple lines. Multi-line command, yeah? Yes. So now come to your program. Here, first is we should create a structure variable. What we create? User defined data type variable. How can we create it? The name of structure. First we take the name of structure. What is the name of structure? Student. Okay. So we will take here student and the variable name. Variable name I am taking here as. Okay. Now we want to get the input. We want to get the input. How can we get the input to the variables? How many variables we have? 7. 4 string type, 2 integer type and 1 double type. Okay, 7 variables we have. We need 7 cin statement. How much? 7 cin statement. So now cin, what is the first? First I will take student ID. What will take? What is the variable of the student ID? Student ID is more important than the name. Means we have like 2 students of the same name, but ID every student has different. So ID is more important than the name. Okay. So first we concentrate on the ID. Okay. So we take the variable name. What is the variable name? Student ID. How can we access this variable? We can access this variable by the variable user defined data type. Okay. So first you will write S, only small s, not capital S, and you see the list. It will show the list of the members: address, age, contact number, fee, father name, name and ID. All names will come. Okay. Then we choose one, student ID here. So student ID came. The first statement, for first data value, insert through the keyboard. Okay. Now second, we'll take second cin. Cin, what is the second one? Name. Okay. So we are taking here name. Name. Okay. Then third, father name. Okay. So S dot F name. It is for father name. Fourth, take for fee. Okay. Cin S dot fee. Huh? What you are paying for university? Para. No tax. Amount you are paying to university for learning, for study. Fee. Fees. Okay. So then, what is the next one? Age. Age also we need. Age before, it is better before name or father name. Okay. C in S dot H. Okay. Here is good. Then father name, then fee, then contact number and address. Okay. C in. Okay. If you say address, then address. Okay. Now address. Then contact number. C in. Seven inputs. Now, just understand one thing. We want to say to the user, this is an input. So how can you say? You need to instruct to the user. So for instructing to the user, we use definitely the cout. Yes? So how can we use this? Cout student ID. Means the student ID will be filled by the user. Okay? 7 cout. Yes. Cout. Now we take here the first for student ID. Student ID. Okay. The user will enter. Input through keyboard. Okay. So cout student ID. Second is name. Then third. Fourth. Everyone understand this or not? We have taken input through the keyboard. For each data, name, father name, ID, age, contact number, address, fee. All data we inserted through the keyboard. Cin is a statement to get the value from the keyboard. Here we are using cout not for functionality. Cout is not having any functionality here. Here cout is only for user. User can understand what the value user should put. Like user, we are instructing to the user student ID. Means user need to enter the student ID. Understand? So here is no functionality, just the user to be understanding. Functionality is to get the input is functionality. Okay, we use cin for this. So after that we are taking for output. Okay, so as I told you, copy paste is wonderful concept for the programmer. So now my dear, we put here just output. Okay, in output what we need? Cout. Yes, so we just remove this and put this. Sorry. Do you like? Print. Understand? So dear, this is the full code. You can understand easily. First we declare a structure. This is a structure having a 7 values to be storing for one student. For one student. So here we have taken the variable for this user defined structure. The variable name is S. Okay. After that we have taken here input. This is the input. By using cin statement we are getting input through the keyboard. After completing the input details we need to show our data. So we have taken here cout statements to show the data for each variable, for each member of the structure. So this is what? This is called structure variable. Structure variable. Structure variable is S. Structure variable is S. Okay, and these are the structure members. Okay, these are the structure members, and this is, we know, user defined data type structures. So my dear, it is very important and very useful programming sector. So if you will execute this program, it is asking for student ID here, like 1109, student name, we will take a next line. Yeah, better to take next line, otherwise it will be very confusing. This is input, yeah, and this is output for one student. We can make one more variable, but if we have 100 students, we will not keep 100 variables. We will use array. In next class I will let you. Okay. I will let you know how can we use for number of students. Source code like this for employee, for any other, whatever you think, your friends, list of your friends. Okay, make the source code like this. Understand? Okay,